How to save Instagram Reels to your gallery. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. So let's say we're gonna find some type of Instagram Reel. Well, you know what, let's just go on Reels. And let's say we have this Reel over here that we want to download. So we're gonna go on more down here. We're gonna click on copy link, and we're going to come to a website called saveinsta.app. Okay, so you're going to paste the URL that you copied off of any reel, and you're going to click on download. Okay, and once you click on download, it's going to give you a small ad, so just close the ad, and there you go. So you can download this video directly from over here, and it's going to start downloading. Look at that. So there's the reel downloading, and then if we open it up, let me show you what we get.
We don't want to even tell Israel to.
So there you go. That is how you can download Reels from Instagram in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.